COVID-19 consumer scams. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to impact the United States, phone scammers have seized the opportunity using robocalls and text message scams to offer free home testing kits, promote bogus cures, sell health insurance, and promise financial relief. Scammers are following the news and weaving the latest information into their scam attempts. They may offer antibody screenings or claim to be local contact tracers. Other common robocall scams, such as auto warranty offers, have been updated to reference the coronavirus. Keep your guard up and follow these tips to protect your money and personal information. Tips for avoiding COVID-19 scams. Do not respond to calls or texts from unknown numbers or any others that appear suspicious. Never share your personal or financial information via email, text messages, or over the phone. Be cautious if you're being pressured to share any information or make a payment immediately. Scammers often spoof phone numbers to trick you into answering or responding. Remember that government agencies will never call you to ask for personal information or money. Do not click any links in a text message. If a friend sends you a text with a suspicious link that seems out of character, call them to make sure they weren't hacked. Always check on a charity, for example, by calling or looking at its actual website before donating. If you think you've been a victim of a coronavirus scam, contact law enforcement immediately. For more information about scam calls and texts, visit the FCC's online consumer resources at www.fcc.gov/COVID-scams. You can also file a complaint about such scams at www.fcc.gov/complaints. If you prefer to file a complaint through the ASL Consumer Support Line, call 844-432-2275.